Computer hardware components part 5. Projector. A projector is an output device that projects an image onto a surface, commonly called projection screen. The computer sends the image data to the video card, which then sends the image to the projector. They are typically used for teaching, giving presentations to an audience, or viewing videos. Plotter. A plotter creates a hard copy of a digitally rendered design. The design is sent to the plotter via graphics card, and it creates a design using a pen. Generally used in engineering applications, plotters basically draw an image using a series of straight lines. Modem. A modem stands for modulator demodulator. It is an electronic device that converts digital signals of a computer into analog form so that they can travel over a phone line. At the destination, the receiving modem converts the analog signals back into their digital form so that the destination computer understands them. Transmission of signal through a modem. So when a computer sends a data, the data is in the form of digital signal. So when you are sending the data, you are the sender. So the computer sends the data in the form of digital signals. The modem then takes the signal and converts them into analog signal, which is then easy to send through telephone lines, and then the receiving end, the modem receives the analog signal and then converts the analog signal to digital signal. It's called then the receiver receives the signal as the computer sees the output. So the process of changing the digital signal to analog signal is called modulation, and the reverse process of analog signal to digital signal conversion is called demodulation. Hub. A hub is a device that is used to connect computers in a network. Hubs are commonly used to connect segments of a LAN. A hub contains multiple ports. Small hubs network has 4 to 5 computers. Larger hubs contains 8, 12, 16, and even 24 ports. Compact disc or CD. The data in a CD is stored in an optical format. About 700 megabytes of data can be stored on a CD. CDs can be of two types: CDR or recordable CD, CDRW, rewritable CDs. DVD or digital versatile disk. A DVD can store as much as 6 times more data than a CD. A single layered DVD can store up to 4.7 GB of data. A dual layered DVD can store up to 9 gigabytes of data. It can be used as a backup device. Blu-ray disc. A Blu-ray disc or BD is used to store ultra high definition 4K videos. A single layered BD can store up to 25 gigabytes of data, while a quad layered BD can store up to 200 gigabytes of data. This is the end of part 2. Part 6 video will cover and complete this chapter.